Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil prices jumped on Friday and settled higher as Israel and Iran traded airstrikes, feeding investor worries that the combat could widely disrupt oil exports from the Middle East. Both benchmarks had their largest intraday move since 2022, when Russia's invasion of Ukraine caused a spike in energy prices. Gold prices soared as investors flocked to safe haven assets following Israeli airstrikes on Iran, reigniting fears of a broader conflict in the Middle East. US gold futures settled 1.5% higher. The Federal Reserve's balancing act between concerns about a weakening labour market and still above target inflation will take centre stage for investors in the coming week as they weigh risks to the rally in the US stock market.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.